What up, YouTube? It's your boy Shannon the Wise here. You know, I want to welcome everybody with a Wise Nation salute. You hear me? Hey, and look here. Man, I'm real excited about this video. Y'all know, I've been doing a few little reviews. I ain't really did nothing too big yet. But today is the day we starting to get into some of the high-end stuff today. You know what I'm saying? So now, I want y'all to know we're going to jump into something real nice, real smooth. And I'm about to start trying to hit y'all with some more videos. I'm pre-recording this right now, so next week, for y'all, I'll probably drop this on Monday. I have some more videos doubling back behind that, you know. Get some jewelry, some more tech, do some comparisons. But like I said, I'm about to get into some high-end stuff. And on the verge of the S21 Ultra coming, you know, this is right up my alley. I'm still debating. I want the S21, but the Note 21 Ultra. But man, it's been a while since I had a phone, man. I'm sorry. I'm just feeling y'all, you know, like, and see y'all, I've been getting in the gym, you know what I'm saying? Shit, the last video, I was still looking a little sloppy out there, you know, like, it was like real nasty. But anyway, without further ado, about to do a quick little review of the Galaxy Buds Pro. We ain't doing that cheap shit today. Not that cheap shit. Some high-end shit. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, without further ado, let's get into it. I gotta be able to open this motherfucker. Trusty opener-uppener. I don't know, man. I'm just trying to be cool, you know, like all these other motherfuckers. I don't want to say the same thing either, you know. The unboxing knife 2021 edition. Plain Jane, baby. And then you know for sure I gotta have the Buds Pro, baby. Look at that. I got the box upside down, but you see what it is. I know you see it. You heard me? So now let's go ahead and all this. See, you know, let's read what it say. You know, it say ergonomic fit. We know that the Galaxy Buds, you know, the Pro shaped like a little bean. You know, everybody say that they real comfortable. You know what I'm saying? So, and they say they got 6 hours of playtime. That's pretty good. I ain't buying it, but hey, triple mics and clear call, noise cancellation. Now everybody that's been reviewing these say the noise cancellation ain't really all that because it doesn't actually fit all the way in the ear, and we gonna get to that once I pull it out. You know, like you know how most earbuds had a little tips on them, and you know you put the tip in for a little suction and you know close it in, but said these don't have that. So let's go ahead on and open this thing up. I'm excited too. I got these a couple days ago and I wanted to open them up so bad, but I'm waiting to open them with y'all. You know what I'm saying? Pow! Ooh, look at it. Came out so nice and smooth. Let's see what's in here. This the magic right here. This that magic. Galaxy Buds Pro. That's the case right there, little charging case. What's in the little box? Let's see. As you can see, they the black ones. And in the box, you see we got a little, these charge USB-C. So that's right up my alley, you know what I'm saying? And they got some little tips in here, you know. I don't know how they're supposed to work with it because, you know, like I say, they say these don't like fit off in the ear canal. Like it's some little flat tips. I don't know if the camera focusing on it, but you know, they got some little flat tips in here. USB-C. And Y'all know I got the Galaxy Watch. So, you know, I already got the Galaxy Wear on my phone. And they said this is real easy to pair. Like, super easy. Like, all you gotta do is really just open the motherfucker up. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all excuse my phone. You know, I'm still rocking a Note 9. You know, like, enough of y'all ain't subscribed for me to be getting all this stuff, you know, for free. I gotta pay for this out of my pocket, you dig? Now, see, this cake is real shiny by AKG. Get a little fingerprints on it, you know, but I don't give a damn, you know what I'm saying? It's all about the magic inside. But they said that as soon as you open this, the Galaxy Wear should open up. I don't see it. Okay, I sat it on there. And when I sat it on there, it opened up. Okay. See, new device has been detected. Connect. Now the Galaxy Wear is popping up, the Galaxy Wear app. Setting up your phone, 100% complete. Damn, the battery low on these. 4%? Congrats. Your new Galaxy Buds are live. Got it. And now they're giving you prompts on how to put them in. Nah, I'm all set. Okay, once I close the case, they say disconnect. Open the case back up. Connect it. Now, one of them they say one of them charged and one of them not. Okay, we're gonna take a pause for a second. Let me update this app real quick. Oh, well, shit, it didn't take no time to update, and I didn't even have to go nowhere. So let's see. Take that one out. So this one of them on 1% and one of them on 9%. So I'm gonna be back. Give me a few seconds. Let me charge them up a little second. Let them charge for a little bit, and I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. They ain't charged up too much, but we about to try to see how they fit. So this left ear. So it's supposed to go this one. Okay. And they got different EQ settings. We just about to see what they sound like real quick. And I'm about to cut this video short. But they fit pretty good. You know, like I mean, these fit in here. They ain't even got the tips in here. So let's see. Let's see what a little music sound like. And then, you know, shit. We'll be back later to do a full review. But I just want to take y'all on. See what, you know, unbox these. I mean, and they're not the Pro. I'm sorry. The Buds Alive. I'm sorry. Buds Alive. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Alright. I ain't even got to say no more. Yeah, they rocking. And I ain't even got it on on one of the rocking settings because, you know, like, yeah, they knocked all the wind out of me. Like I had 412s in my ears. But look, these the Galaxy Buds Live. We're gonna do a quick comparison on them later. and I'm gonna do a full review. Like, now I gotta get ready for work. You know what I'm saying? And they ain't even charged up. They're only like 4%. But we about to go ahead on, get this shit wrapped up, man. Y'all know what it is, man. If y'all like that video, man, and y'all want to see the review, you know what I'm saying? Bang, bang, bang that like button, man. Bang that subscribe button. And come on back, and y'all can see all of the new reviews we're going to have coming up. I'm going to be trying a lot of stuff. Unboxing. Taking y'all with me. And then, you know, I might even take y'all with me to the gym, you know, because, you know, like that last video, man, you know, I was like a little, you know. But now I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. You heard me? Y'all heard me? Shannon the Wise, baby. I'm out.